In this video we'll be checking out KIWIDESIGN VR Stand, Oculus Quest, Rift, Rift S, Oculus Go, HTC Vive, Vive Pro and both touch controllers. 5 simple steps, 2 different designs. Especially designed for displaying and storing your VR headset and touch controllers. It is made of a high quality ABS plastic with a unique sponge non-slip design and a strong textured round base. It is safe and stable to put your VR headset and controller on the stand and keep them organised and ready to play. As you can see, it is very easily assembled for whatever age you are and to accompany whichever headset it is that you own. In my opinion, this headset stand is very easily assembled, made out of a very good material, and takes up very little room. Besides it being on the wall, I think this is a pretty good product for the price, which you can get for just under £25 online. So I hope you enjoyed our little video on the KIWIDESIGN VR stand, and I hope you come back again. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more content. And please check out some of the other videos. There may be something you may enjoy, and there may be something that will pique your interest in the future. So I hope you enjoyed, and we shall see you again very soon.